Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be reviewing this Bachmann 40-foot live poultry transport company along with Turkey's car. So this is basically a poultry transport car, and poultry is chickens, turkeys, basically your small birds. Now I've never seen one of these cars before. I think Bachmann is the only one to make this type of car. So here it is out of the box. There are no instructions. Usually with Bachmann cars, there are no instructions. But we have this little see-through protector thing. Here is the actual car packaging the car comes in. Now here is the car itself. It's actually got some pretty decent weight to it. Now if you look, you can see the chickens in there. I mean, turkeys. That's strange. So, if you look up a live poultry transport car, I don't think this whole entire door is supposed to slide. I think that little door is, because I think how it was where you had one compartment, another compartment, and the crew would be able to walk in between this portion right here and take the turkeys out this way, not this way. Because if you look, it's just a blank piece of cardboard. But other than that, I mean, the printing is nice. As you can see, we've got the load weight, live poultry transport company, buy live poultry, 1566. We have some more markings over here. I think that's the build date and just some other markings. We've got the ladder, which is molded in, but is painted real nice. Steps. Now, I think... yeah, this is all one body and it's just painted. The doors are nicely molded. I don't think they should slide though on the real cars. I will probably glue them in place. Here's the underbody. Metal wheels, body mounted couplers, just the normal old easy make couplers, metal wheels. As you can see, it says Bachmann made in China. Everything is molded on, but the detail that is shown is nicely molded. Here's this side, I think. Oh, here's the end. As you can see, we got a ladder that's nicely painted, and we have printing on... I'm not sure what this board is actually called, but I'm not sure if I can read it. Let's see if the camera can focus. $50 reward for any conviction of any one stealing from or damaging car. Huh. Never seen that before. Here is the other end. We've got the brake wheel, which is nicely molded. It's not chunky or anything. As you can see, all the details are molded in though. But I do like that that piece has some printing on it. Here is the roof. The walkway is not see-through, but looks nice. It is a little chunky. As you can see, it is a little chunky. You can obviously see where it's connected to the car, but I don't really think anyone's going to be purposely looking over there. Now, the rails are pretty chunky on this car, which you're going to be looking at like this, so it doesn't really matter. The doors do open, like I said. They get stuck right here, so that's not really that big of a deal. You do have some grab irons over here, but they are very hard to see. So it looks like this is all clear piece and just painted. Oops, I just dropped it. I'm gonna get the scale out and weigh this, and then we are going to go on the track and see the rollability. Here is this side for the couple height test. Oh, that piece of metal is hitting that little piece right there on the height gauge, so that coupler needs to be adjusted. And the other end is at the correct height. A little low, but not that big of a deal. Okay guys, so I have the scale in ounces. Let's see. So it weighs 4.8 ounces, which equates to 36 grams. Like I said, I think this is around $40 on Amazon. and around $52 on Bachmann's website, so that's a $12 difference. Other than that, let's put it on the track and see how it performs. Okay, so the car is down on the track. We will see if the car couples up, because I know these Bachmann Easy Make couplers can kind of be a little not reliable. Now these are Proto 1000 couplers on the C liner, so those, I don't know if those should work. Oh, hold on. There we go. Yep, seems to have coupled up. So I will give one bite of the train behind so you can get kind of an idea of the test I'm putting this car through. And then I will do a few one-bite shots to watch the car in action. Here it goes over this crossover. Performing fine. Here it comes. Went through that switch fine. Here goes again with a crossover. Good. And here goes again with another crossover. Fantastic. Okay, I would give this car a 7.5 out of 10, because even though the printing is really nice, metal wheels, plastic couplers, I mean, they're knuckle couplers with metal springs. I think that these doors shouldn't move. I think Bachmann should have kept these molded into the shell. And I feel like the molding is just the tooling is a little bit dated. I think Bachmann can update it. But other than that, like I said, the painting's nice, printing is nice. I mean, there's no real flaws with that, because it looks like the whole body is just one printed piece, because I think the actual body itself is a clear piece of plastic, it's just printed. Other than that, 7.5 out of 10. The price is a little much, but that's just Bachmann, so I mean, it's what you get. Other than that, that's it. See you in the next video.